What's up, people? ETA here in Buffalo Pound, Saskatchewan. We got a few guests with us. My brother Tony,
Killer helmet, dude.
Wyatt Tyndall, and they're biking with us today. It's gonna be a good day. Matson lost his keys this morning. Seems like a thing with us. We lose our keys, we find our keys. We were literally searching for like an hour. Where were they? In his bag. In his freaking bag. What a guy.
Shit happens.
Oh yeah, work off those beers.
We forgot to mention, it had been a long week, so we had celebrated the start of the weekend with some beers the night before.
Good morning.
I've been up since like before 6.
Why the fuck have you been up since before 6? I think me and Matson went to bed at 4. In hindsight, I think we regret that decision. One thing that's nice about Buffalo Pound is Moose Jaw's nice and close. McDonald's breakfast. Cheers. Oh, the balance. I had these 2 trees to myself last night. Set up at like 6 p.m. in the light and everything.
Going this way, right?
Matson was never going anyway. He was like, I'll wait till 4 a.m. I'll get Anderson to help me set up. And I'll convince him to do bunk beds because I just want to sleep above him and piss him off.
Ketchup on your face.
I know. Rise and shine, pumpkin.
Don't call me pumpkin.
Don't sleep above me next time.
Don't call me pumpkin and I won't.
Start the day off with Black Town, the Terminator.
I'm having a really shitty day today. I was backing out of our campsite and I smoked a pole. Did a nice dent there. Had to duct tape this back on. Got this car about a month ago. It's important to break it in. Oh, that's good.
Buffalo Pound actually received this name because Indians used to hunt and capture the buffalo in this area. So we'll see if we can see some buffalo. We can see the buffalo. You probably can't. They're probably little specks to you. Matson, you're gonna have to zoom in at this point. That's a big fucking animal. Some buffalo in Buffalo Pound.
Pretty honored to be out here with these 2 epic trip adventurers. But just like to ask Henderson, like, how do you think this warm weather is gonna affect your mountain bike ability?
It's good. We drank a little bit of beer last night. The sweating's good. Tune into ETA next week for another epic trip adventure.
1,800 meters above sea level right now on the big island of Hawaii. So it's gonna be a little different than the tropical rainforest hikes we've done so far. There's also a lava tube at the end of the hike that we're gonna head into and do a little bit of exploring. I have mine, do you have yours?
No. You wanna need it? How dark is it?
I don't know.